Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're showing our Ford Bronco today, Ranger XLT package. Definitely rusty. Come from out western South Dakota, but up in the Black Hills, so definitely going to need some fenders and doors and quarters. Now we have to be particular because you can pretty see it all in the pictures. Interior is very good. If you redid some vinyl on the driver's seat and on that edge of that passenger seat, that's all you need. I mean, it's got the rear covers, or the rear panels are in nice shape, roll bar, spare tire, headliner's in good shape, carpet's decent, got dash cover on it. The dash doesn't appear to be cracked. It is an AC truck, automatic AC, so nice pickup on the inside, or Bronco on the inside. But it's got the rusties. So like I said, you'd have to replace about every side panel hood. The roof's all good. But there isn't. You just have to put your sheet metal on it. But got two-tone chrome on it, two-tone vehicle. Would be a really sharp Bronco when done. So if you're looking for a body project, 605-695-7391.